Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use RunwayML for free. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to runwayml.com and select get started on the top right corner and log in with an account using your Google or Apple. Now once you are logged in and continue. So from here guys, I provided a prompt, car drifting in the forest, and it is an image generation. And as you can see, we will have our picture over here. So guys, when you have a new account, right away you will have 120 credits. So you could be able to use this for free and explore around with the website. And after that, you could reference for image, input for video, and you could also download it right away and it will be downloaded into your PC. So guys, from here, the more specific your prompts are, the better the results are. And you will have two options only. We will have image and video. So if you want to do a video, of course, drop an image. So it will have a reference. And from here, you should be able to create or generate a video. And you can select whether it's 5 seconds or 10 seconds and the aspect ratio as well and the settings over here. So pretty much it will be the same process. The more specific the prompt are, the better the results. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. And if you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.